Your dashboard is lit up like a Christmas tree, and your transmission is shifting so erratically it feels like the car has forgotten how to drive itself. When you see the code P0863, it means the communication line between the brain of the car and the transmission control module, or the TCM, has been cut off or is garbled. In modern vehicles, all these computers talk to each other over a high-speed network called the CAN bus, and if the PCM cannot hear what the transmission is saying, it goes into a panic mode. This often results in the car being put into limp mode, where you might be stuck in one gear just so you can crawl home. This is not just a mechanical issue, it is a digital conversation that has been interrupted. Before you go out and buy a new TCM, which can be quite expensive, you need to do some detective work. Start by retrieving all the codes, because usually a communication error will bring friends like ABS or other U-series codes along with it. Check your fuses first, because a blown fuse to the transmission module will make it go silent instantly. If the fuses are good, you're going to be spending some quality time with a digital multimeter and a wiring diagram. You are looking for 12 volts and a clean ground at the module connector itself. It is also very common for the harness to get rubbed raw against the engine block, or for a connector pin to get pushed back or corroded. If you find that the power and grounds are perfect and the CAN bus lines have the right resistance, usually around 60 or 120 ohms depending on where you measure, then you might be looking at a failed module or a software issue that requires a reflash. Always check for technical service bulletins, because sometimes a simple software update from the manufacturer is all it takes to fix a communication breakdown.